Yo boys, what's going on? Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we're doing a 2v2. Me and Jared versus Preston and Woody.
Yep.
We're gonna go out to a pond and see if we can catch more fish. Alright.
Somebody get the aim bar. I just turned my hacks on. First pass. Appreciate it. Which means I'm not going to catch a single other fish.
What is that, 1L?
Yep.
I see it right there, you see it?
Yeah.
Little guy. I'll put him back over here. Let's go. You
Think I'm gonna catch him again?
That's how I'm cruising. And now my
That was sicky.
That was.
Appreciate you putting your bass up here. I caught him again.
Yeah, you did.
Alright, we just evened up the score. Had a crazy topwater blow up. Easy release. Low guy, but good start to the day. He had problems.
Can see these guys out here. Decent little guy. Yeah. Good little bass. Send him on his way. I saw him cruising out in the shallow area out in the middle, but bye.
Oh, come on. Do it again.
Are you serious, bro? How do you come up and nibble it and not get... There's 6 trebles. Why is there not a single one in his mouth right now? In the his ass. Like if I had a working one, bro. Oh my. Okay, he's looking up now.
Eat it, yo.
Maybe swim it high. Yeah, swim it high. Like he's looking for something to pop up. Wow. Jared, this is a pretty good fish. I don't want to keep her out for too long, but 3 pounds, 1 ounce.
I know, it's perfect.
3 and some change. All right, baby, we're gonna put you back. Thanks for biting. Good release on this girl.
Alright, my big swim bait wasn't working. So now I got this worm. There we go. Finally got one. I'm finally on the board. It's not a bad one. There we go.